Over the past few years, we built out this rec center, private beach for ping pong. I removed the cornhole, just set it there on the side, because we're gonna clear out some of these rocks. What happened over the years is some of the rocks that are underneath the sand started to get kicked up to the surface as people play. And so what we did with my kids last night is we created this rake system. And what it is it's a screen. It was a busted screen from the one of the windows, and set it out with zip ties. So we did a test, and then we created with these wedges. These are some leftover shingles from the guest cottage that I split and jammed in there, so that on this right side we would have a little basket to collect some of the stones. Here's a 5-gallon bucket that collects the stones from the screen mesh. So I'm going to try and show how this works. Basically, by raking it across, what happens is you catch the stones, and then by shaking it a little bit, you end up with the stones that are left. And you can dump them in there, rather than getting down on your hands and knees to pick up each of the stones. And with the clean sand, it's going to be a little more comfortable on people's feet. This is one of the cuts from what was the frame of the window screen. And what we did is created a strip so that we could run it the length of what was this rake. And then with the zip ties, ended up using, I happen to have some in the shed, the utility knife, cut the screen, and then also cut in certain places the ends off of the zip ties. This was an extra rod that we had in the shed, as well as the old shingles. But the idea is to come down here and just, as you scrape, you bring up the sand with the stones, and then by shaking it off, you're collecting the stones rather than throwing away all the sand. And the idea then is to just dump it into the bucket, so that it's going to take quite a few passes. But at least we start to remove the stones. And then if you follow me over here, what we're going to do is just dump them into the area that has the stones. And all around the house, including at the front, we have plenty of places to put the stones. In the hole. Damn, 2 in a row.
That's 21 right there.
2 in and 1 on top. Oh,
We get to send out when the game.
solid.